Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Sugar Hill, Georgia today. It's 2 o'clock. We've got us a $280 job here. There's a couple urine spots, mostly upstairs in the living room, a couple of bad rooms. Right now it's a split level. We're in the lower level here. We'll take you up to the basement. A couple closets. Here's a lower level bedroom. And stairs. Not much in here. Let's see. This room's in pretty good shape as well. But the problem areas are out here. Kind of hard to see, but there's some spots in here. And then there's some spots here in the master, right there. Everything else is in pretty good shape. So like I said, 2 o'clock, we're going to knock this job out, and then we'll shoot a after video and see how it goes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, as you can see, it's 3 o'clock. Just finished up with the 2 o'clock job, $280 job. We'll do a quick walkthrough. Everything looks really good. As you can see, the spots there came out. It'll focus. There we go. That's an indentation from the bed. Spots in the living room look good. Everything else looks good. There wasn't much to see anywhere else. Our towels out so we don't slip or track on the hardwoods. Actually, everything looks good down here. Again, this was a quick, easy job. We did use odor treatment. There was a previous pet living here, so we used odor treatment, no charge for that, because they are pet owners. So we just wrapped up. It's OMG carpet cleaning. No upsells, no per spot fees, no additional fees, hidden charges, things of that nature. We charge what we quote. We charge what we quote. If you're charged more than what you're quoted, your carpet cleaning is free, so it's a win-win situation. A lot of carpet cleaners out there quote one price to get in the door. It sounds real good, but then they have all kind of upsells and hidden charges and things of that nature, which we don't believe in. So give us a call today for your carpet cleaning needs, 404-500-9853, or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Business opportunities are available. We do teach people the carpet cleaning business and are a carpet cleaning consulting business. 404-500-9853. It's 3 o'clock on Friday, March the 30th, or maybe it's the 31st. So we're going to call it. We're going to call it a day. Have a great Easter weekend. Yeah, it's the 30th. Happy Easter to everyone out there. Take care, God bless, and be kind to one another. We'll see you next time.